Would you like to give a very brief introduction?
Sure. My name is Arushi. I am from Nagpur, Maharashtra. I am working with an MNC, and I think last time when the Speaker of the Month announced, your name was there, and Radhika ma'am's name was there. So I had taken session with her, but I haven't taken session with you. And I was like, okay, let me have a session with
Okay.
you because one of my friend told me that she's a great tutor, and I was like,
Oh
okay.
my God.
From that time only, I was trying to book a session with you, and
Well, do
yeah.
not go by the reviews and do not go by the Instagram posts. You will judge for
Yeah,
yourself then how the session goes. Shall we begin? Do you
right.
have any doubt,
Sure.
anything that is confusing you? Nothing like that?
No, no, no. For
Okay.
now, no doubt.
Okay. So let's have some extempore topics. I'll give you a topic and try to express your opinion on that. Okay.
Sure.
So in the
Yeah.
first one, think of all the values, all the lessons, everything that you've learned from your family, friends, and educational institutes. So how they have transformed your life in a positive manner. Try to think of that.
Okay. So, the values and learnings I have learned from friends, family, and education, like educational background.
Mm-hmm.
These three things or three learnings are very different from each other. When
Yeah.
it comes to education, of course, I have learned a lot in my academics or in the education background, like whether it is college or school, a lot of things like that has actually transformed me in whatever I am today. And when it comes to friends, friends are always there to help you out, like because you speak your heart out when you are with your friends, so you cannot expect them to give you a very like ethical suggestion, or like something is very technical or ethical. They are just friends, and they'll give you advice which is friendly, and that will help you to cheer up in life. So this is again a very different thing. And when it comes to family, families, of course, like before teachers or before education, friends, family is there, who is helping you to like grow up, or you brought up with them only. So I think this is something never ending, from the day you born till the day you die. Each and
Mhm.
every member from your family, you learn something, and that is something I think I cannot explain, because that's why I'm here, and that's why I'm speaking like this. So family's values are really very different to me, or very important to me, and I think everyone has that. So I think everyone can relate. It is something really important, and it will lead you to wherever you will go in life. That's how it is.
Okay. So for you, the major contribution in your life has been of your family. Everything that you've
Of
achieved,
course.
everything that you've been through, the credit goes to them, right? Okay.
Uh, yes,
No?
yes, I can say that.
Okay.
Yes, of course,
Uh,
I can say that, because to listen to your teachers on teachers also, my family has taught me like, do whatever your teachers are saying, listen to them, because they are your teachers, they know everything. So I think it has started like that, and that's how I feel. Family is like their values and their suggestions, or their advices are unmatchable. Like no one can tell you these things.
mhm, that's true. And with family comes genuine concern. That would be incomparable to people who have some selfish motive, some ulterior motive behind their actions.
Exactly. Of course, I know that teacher's job is something really valuable, but again, like we are living in a world now, we are paying 1 lakh fees a year to
Mhm.
send your child to a school or something. which means that of course we are paying for that values or for that learning. And when it comes to friends, of course we are friends, but still there are some boundaries. But when it comes to family, there is no selfish motto. Like they are doing it selflessly, because they know that even if they don't like you much, like your some relatives, still they give you some sort of advice, some piece of advice which may be good for you, but you don't understand at the time that the advice will be
Yeah.
good for me, or I should take it seriously. But yeah, family is family. They are not taking any money from you, or it is something they are doing it selflessly. They know that I'm not going to get anything out of it, but still they do it.
Mm,
That's why.
exactly. And as you mentioned, that you will take the advice from relatives and it wouldn't click instantly. Years later, maybe
Yes.
months later, you'll think that, yeah, that person was telling me the right thing. Why didn't I do this sooner? Absolutely.
Yes.
Okay. For the portion of friends, let's get a little specific. You said that friends are
Mm-hmm.
there to uplift your mood. So try to
Hmm.
give a specific example for that. So when did you feel low? When did you feel that, okay, my friends are helping me out this way? Any example that you'd like to give?
Okay, so there are so many examples or reasons why I said that, because some things you cannot speak with your family or with your teachers because you respect them, you don't want to hurt them. But when it comes to friends, you know that they're always there and you can speak whatever you want. Uh, every time, if I'm having some difficulty, I have a group of friends with whom I can speak. Because here in my family, like my family is not like so educated, or they are just normal middle class people. So when it is about career only, like I'm stuck, I don't know what to do, I cannot even like take a switch from my job or do anything. So that time I always speak to my friends, like how can I take it further, or what should I do.
Mm,
Because some friends are there who knows your family condition or everything very well, so they can give you a very
exactly.
good piece of advice. And if not, they can just cheer up your mood, like you can do it, or let it be, just
Mhm.
take a break, or whatever the advice may be. That's why maybe it's an experience for me. That's why I said.
Okay, absolutely. So you've seen that some places where family couldn't offer you their help, their friends come into play. There they have
Yes,
supported you. Absolutely.
yes.
And what
And
about,
again, they are
yeah,
also selfless. Like in friendship, you don't need to offer anything, because when they are genuine friends, they'll give you advice like wholeheartedly. It will not be like, why should I tell you, or you're just no ifs and buts. Friends are just friends.
that's
Yeah.
true. At least genuine friends, people who are genuine,
Yeah.
real friends. Absolutely. What about the role of your professional career till now, working in an MNC? What do you think you've learned here? Anything about people, anything about work? What positive lessons?
Okay. So frankly, I have learned a lot in my professional journey. I think these things teachers cannot tell you, your parents cannot teach you. These things you will learn by your experiences, or with your experiences,
Yeah,
What should I say?
you'll,
By
yeah,
with
yeah,
your
yeah,
experience.
yeah, exactly.
Okay.
This,
So yeah.
yeah, let's frame the sentence in a better manner, that as you'll
Mm-hmm.
experience these things in the similar manner, you'll learn it. Let's make it a little passive instead of directly active. We can convert it into passive. That as you'll go through life, as you'll uh, just sway through your life, you'll learn these things by experiencing them. So I think by
Right.
will be fitting here well. By experiencing
Okay.
them. Okay.
Yes.
Mhm.
So yes, in professional life or in professional journey, you get a lot of experiences. You meet multiple people. Some are good to you, some are bad to you. At the same time, you cannot treat everyone equally. So these things, I think, these are not these things you cannot understand. Even if this is a syllabus in your school or college, you will not understand it, because you have to experience it personally. Then only you will understand, okay, how it works, or how you should behave or respond to the people who are talking to you, or who are good to you, who are bad to you. You cannot be just good to everyone at your workplace. No,
Mm,
you cannot, because everyone will not be good to you, and your focus should be, you have to go there, you have to work there, get paid and come back. You cannot make friends with everyone there. So you have to differentiate, like, your limits. You have to set your limits. You have to differentiate with people, with whom I should talk more, with whom I should talk less. There are a lot of people, like, there are a lot of things, and a lot of good people also, bad people also. So I think it's a very good experience for me. I have learned a lot, and I feel very satisfied that, yes, at least I am learning a lot how to take life further. Because again, in life also, I'm going to meet a lot of people. So now I know how I have to tackle, I can tackle.
true.
So
So, with
yeah,
your
it's a
professional
very
career, you've learned to be selective. Now you've become selective how you'll not give your time and energy to people who do not matter, who are not adding value to your life. That way you have become selective. Okay. Before moving ahead, Arushi, I
yeah,
just have to mention a couple of things. Okay. So, first is
sure.
one thing that we need to keep in mind is that we do not use and but more than once and twice in a sentence, because what is happening
Okay.
that some sentences will become extra long. They'll run over and over to 4 lines, 5 lines. So for that, do remember that if in a sentence you've used and but, end it there. Start a new sentence
Okay.
instead of continuing with and but, that thing. Okay. Do not worry if it
Okay.
happens again. We'll take a pause there and start afresh, but just keep a
Sure.
tiny point in check that no sentence should have it more than once, maximum twice. Okay. Apart
Right.
from that,
Right.
just
Okay.
one word, the pronunciation that we need to focus on. This one, how would you like to read it? It's in the
Syllabus.
chat box. Yeah,
Syllabus.
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 Syllabus. Yeah. Do
Yes.
not stress the A there. It would always be syllabus.
Right. Yeah.
Right?
Syllabus.
Okay. Yeah. Till now,
Yes.
any confusion, anything that went right over your head, anything like that?
No, it's just that sometimes I really want to express things, but again, like sentence framing here and there, I mess up with sentence framing
Oh,
only.
okay.
That's what I think.
I got your point. And now here it would be the cliche answer that practice is the key. Because literally
Yeah.
practice is the key. As you'll practice more and more, you become comfortable with the language and then you express your thoughts wonderfully. Apart from that, of course, there should be consumption, whether it is through watching, listening, reading, any way that you can, keep on consuming the content. Otherwise, it's going out, but something should come in as well, just for that purpose. Okay.
Yeah, right.
Do not worry. As we'll proceed,
Yeah.
you'll see the difference. Okay. Let's quickly cover one last thing, then we'll wrap it up. Till now, you mentioned all the
Sure.
positive experiences in all these cases. Now, have you ever had
Mm-hmm.
any negative experience, either with relatives, either with friends, or academically or professionally? Any negative experience, whether it is jealousy, betrayal, or it could be marks wise, like even marks can be one negative experience in school. So, overall, negative side.
Okay. I cannot say it's a negative side, but I think when you are selective, like when you know how much importance you have to give to people. I think that's the outcome of whatever I'm going to say. So I have a group of friends. Like I don't know, it is what should I say, I had, but yes, I have a group of friends. We were very good friends, but I think, yeah, I got a job, and then I was a little busy with my professional career, or I can say in my yeah, professional life. I used to spend a lot of I used to spend more time with my colleagues or my new friends. So it was like that my bond with my old friend is old friends is breaking, or it's
It
yeah,
started weakening.
I was losing, yeah, it started weakening, or I started losing contact with them.
Mhm.
And I don't know why. I tried once or twice or thrice to have the same conversation with them, but then again I didn't get a proper response. And I think it should not be like, if someone is exploring their life, I think you should let them explore, because you cannot stick to the one thing, right? If I am going to some other way, I'll of course meet a new people, and I'll have to give the importance as well. Like, of course I have to know them and they would know me, so I'll have to give my time to them. So it will change, or eventually the things will not be same for a long time. And that happened with me, so
Um,
I cannot say it's a
I'm so
negative.
sorry. I would have to interrupt you here because you'll get cut off
Okay.
in between. So yeah,
Yes.
overall, a wonderful session. You expressed your thoughts well. I don't know why you felt that I'm not able to express, but I'm sure you have high
Okay.
expectations. Probably that's why. Apart from that,
Hmm.
just focus on breaking the sentences. That no sentence should be overlapped, no
Hmm.
sentence should go too long, because what happens is the beauty of language gets lost if sentences go too long.
Yeah.